Hotel c.harged guests $350 after bad online reviews, so Indiana AG sues. Further reading order on sketchy site goes awry, firm wants $250 in fees, customer sues. The Indiana Attorney General has sued a small hotel in Nashville, south of Indianapolis, over claims that it illegally charged its own customers a $350 fee for leaving negative reviews online. The hotel's Yelp page is currently listed as being under dispute. According to the lawsuit, State of Indiana v. Abbey Management, Incorporated, which was filed in state court in Brown County on December 15, the case originated when a woman named Katrina Arthur stayed at the Abbey Inn. According to her official April 2016 complaint with the AG's office, she stayed just one night in March 2016 and paid $230. Arthur wrote that the hotel smelled like sewer in an online review. Then, on April 2, 2016, Arthur received a letter from Andrew Zackley, who purported to be an attorney representing the hotel. Zackley made no mention he also owned the business or was affiliated with it in any way other than legal representation, the AG's office wrote, adding that Zackley threatened to sue Arthur for libel if she did not remove the negative review. Arthur was then charged $350 4 days later. Indiana attorneys, in their complaint, called the hotel's practices unfair, abusive, and deceptive for not posting this policy anywhere publicly available at the hotel. An archived copy of the policy states, "Guests agree that if guests find any problems with our accommodations and fail to provide us the opportunity to address those problems while the guest is with us, and or refuses our exclusive remedy, but then disparages us in any public manner, we will then be entitled to charge their credit card an additional $350 damage. Should guests refuse to retract any such public statements, legal action may be pursued." Further reading: Cleargear must pay $306,750 to couple that left negative review. The hotel, which appears to have taken down its website as a result of the fracas, did not respond to ours requests for comment. Previously, ours has covered several instances of unenforceable non-disparagement clauses and negative online reviews. On Thursday, ours called a phone number listed in the HO's records for the now-defunct website AbbeyInn.com. The woman who responded declined to identify herself and told ours that this was old news and that the company did not exist anymore. The HO's records show that AbbeyInn.com is registered to Nancy Zackley of the Log Cabin Vacation Company. Ours also sent a message to the email address listed there, but it went unanswered. Nancy Zackley also appears to be the owner of Log Cabin Web Design, which counts Andy Zackley as one of its clients. Andrew Zackley is a registered lawyer in Indiana, but his bar listing has no contact information other than a postal address. He is also currently serving as the chief deputy prosecutor of Brown County. Further reading: Judge can't order Yelp user to edit negative review. According to the Associated Press, Andrew Zackley said in a statement that he is the president and sole shareholder of Abbey Management Incorporated, the company that was sued by the Indiana Attorney General's office. But, the statement continued, operation of the hotel was transferred to a new entity as of January 2017. Zackley's statement also states, several years ago, the Inn began to experience what has become known in the hospitality industry as social media blackmail. A guest would complete their stay, leave without making any complaints regarding their stay, then later demand a refund, or they would post negative comments regarding the Inn on social media. In an attempt to meet the guest's needs while protecting itself from false reviews, the Inn, between fall 2015 and summer 2016, required prospective guests to confirm they had read the Inn's complaint policy, published on the Inn's website and repeated on the online booking site, when they booked online and when they arrived for their stay. Zackley continued, noting that it was a shame that the actions of a disgruntled guest would damage the couple now managing the hotel. One of the hotel's new owner-operators, Amanda Sweet, is reportedly Zackley's daughter. She told the app that the 24 hours since news of the lawsuit became public have been horrible. She said that she and her husband, who co-owns Abbey Inn with her, had no knowledge of the previous policy. According to her, They do not have such a disparagement clause in their current agreements. Further reading why this tiny Italian restaurant gives a discount for bad Yelp reviews. We've been pouring ourselves into making positive renovations, bringing this beautiful building back to life, she said. This is our livelihood, and we don't want it to go away. Sweet also told the Indianapolis Star that she has received death threats as a result of the kerfuffle. According to RTV6, Sweet is now planning to close the hotel and reopen under a new name. People have the right to truthfully complain about bad service, Attorney General Curtis Hill said in a statement sent to reporters. They certainly should not be afraid they might be penalized for exercising this right. If you believe you have suffered retaliation or been threatened as a result of posting a truthful review, please contact our office and we will investigate your complaint. In Indiana, individuals may file consumer complaints with the Office of the Attorney General by going online to indianaconsumer.com or by calling 1-800-382